Hello, and welcome everyone. So, if your Apple Music app is acting up, freezing, or failing to load your favorite tracks, in this video you will learn how to properly restart the Apple Music app to clear glitches and restore performance. To do this, it's very simple. When your Apple Music app is open, you have just to put your finger in the bottom of the screen and swipe up. Just one moment, let me add that. Swipe up like that. And after that, you have just to swipe up again from the Apple Music. And like that, the app is closed. And to restart it, you have just to open it again. And like that, your Apple Music app has just restarted. And if the problems that you are having are still there, you have to delete the app and install it again to solve those problems. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.